Good morning, guys. As from the title, you must be knowing that yes, I am at Malad Masti. Early morning, Sunday morning, but let's see. I'll show you the view. It's really nice, and this time not alone with my mom. You guys can see. Yes, and this time yes with skates, but I'll show you.
कोई बात नहीं, आराम से हम लोग आई थिंक विल गिव हिम सम ब्रीदर.
There are 3 jumpings over there, and who don't love jumping? I was crazy behind that. fun. Like I literally enjoyed a lot. And this is the second Sunday. So we have more 3 Sundays. So if you are planning to visit, you can visit. It's behind Infinity Mall, Malad, in Orbit Mall. Yes, it's great fun as you saw, and I literally enjoyed. Next Sunday also I am planning to come, but I won't take a vlog, that's for sure. And yes, this time I was early, so I had literally, and it's even long, like it's very big than last year. So if you haven't seen my last year's vlog, you can see, I'll put that, you can click on that I button and you'll get to see there. And you can see the parking. My Activa is there behind, and so much vehicles over here. See, so much vehicles. So it's difficult to remove, but it's fine. Like, and yeah, one more thing. The question is it worth waking up Sunday morning and coming here? Yes, it's absolutely worth if you love all these outdoor things. And that's all. I'll end my vlog over here. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel to see my further videos. And if you want to see my last year's Malad Masti vlog, you can see, and see my other videos also. You'll definitely have fun. Please do subscribe and click on the bell icon so you'll get notified each time I upload a new video. And that's it. Bye bye.